Pain management. It's on the rise and reaching epidemic proportions. As more and more people seek solutions to their pain, unfortunately, stronger and stronger medications have become available, oftentimes with disastrous side effects.
Well, there are very severe side effects, especially from Oxycontin and oxycodone. They are now showing that more people die from the side effects of those two drugs than from auto accidents in America.
A vast majority of these pain problems could be stress and neurological in nature. All the nerves in the body, including the brain and spinal cord, have a coating that surrounds them. Trauma to any nerve in the body, whether in the hand or foot, can cause a pulling of this coating, which in turn can cause nerves not to function.
This tension on the nervous system can also cause a restriction of the flow of the brain's spinal fluid. This fluid provides the brain and nerves with nutrients they need to function. A block in the flow of this fluid can cause severe neurological problems.
Direct trauma to the neck from auto accidents and falls can also cause damage to the nerves, which slowly over time can cause severe malfunction of the body and severe pain.
Well, all these factors can lead to a block in the flow of cerebral spinal fluid, which is the brain fluid, and can cause pulling on the covering of the nerves, which in turn can cause extreme continuous pain. So our research has been on new technology to relieve this.
Research has been underway by pain specialists to relieve this stress without the use of drugs or surgery. One particular technique used by the Neurologic relief centers was specifically developed to detect and reduce neurologic dysfunction. They believe their non-surgical, non-prescription technique is a breakthrough solution for most forms of pain.
I've been treating patients with the Neurologic Relief Center technique for almost 2 years now, since I was treated with the technique. In less than 3 months, my severe fibromyalgia and sleep disorder, whereas waking once every 4 minutes, almost completely disappeared. I went from working 14 hours per week in severe pain and being incredibly tired to working 60 hours a week. I felt so good, and I continue to feel fantastic. I'm now able to help thousands of people with not only severe chronic pain, fatigue, numbness and tingling, burning and loss of strength, but also symptoms associated with fibromyalgia, MS, lupus, Parkinson's, RSD, rheumatoid arthritis, and the list goes on.
The technique is believed to relieve the stress on the nervous system. According to Dr. Lucian, the impact of the technique is immediate. She says in a matter of minutes, patients can experience an incredible relief, and the technique has worked on nearly every form of pain a person can have.
My pain level, it was extreme, and it was every minute of every day. It released, I would say, just about everything. I was feeling so good, and I actually felt lighter and clearer. My mind felt clearer, and that was just from the testing. So I thought, you know what? I'm thinking this is gonna work.
It's like the pain just draws out of you. It's just like I don't know, I guess the old religious laying of the hands. We could feel it relieving that stress and pain, and it just disappeared. Went from neck down to your toes. It's just like it lifted it right out.
Not everyone responds to the technique, but the Neurologic Relief Center clinics throughout the United States and Canada offer a non-invasive therapeutic test for free, which NRC physicians say may give patients immediate improvement in a matter of minutes.
If the test works, a program to bring about relief is determined that may take a few weeks or a few months based on the severity of the problem. The good news is it costs nothing to find out if this method could help you.
I've had a specialty practice in the San Francisco Bay Area for over 27 years, treating people with severe pain and neurologic disorders. And I was intrigued with how fast and efficient this technique was, and also how it gave hope for people who had no answers to their severe problems. I had observed this in my clinic, and the majority of patients got immediate relief just from the testing procedure. And what that means is that they either had partial or complete relief from their symptoms with the testing procedure, which lasted about 10 minutes.
The very first treatment was just amazing. I just felt pain go away.
I didn't say hallelujah, but I wanted to because my pain level went from a 10 down to a 1 or less.
Pain is a condition that can be treated, and modern techniques such as this may soon be an effective pain relief treatment without the side effects of pain medications and surgery. Pain. It may be the unbearable pain of a migraine, lupus, arthritis, or fibromyalgia, or the burning pain associated with multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, or even spinal stenosis. Today, a revolutionary new technique has been discovered by the Neurologic Relief Centers that may unlock the source of pain at the brainstem, often ending a lifetime of suffering in under 10 minutes.
Not everyone responds to this technique, but our clinics throughout the United States and Canada offer a non-invasive therapeutic test for free that may give you an immediate result from pain that is often miraculous in a matter of minutes. And it works on nearly every form of pain a patient can have. Immediate relief. And it's just like something going through your body, and it's like, you know, it takes over, and it's just like, thank goodness you were doing this to me.
I've been in practice 27 years, and this technique has been like nothing. I've never seen anything like it. And just from the test, if someone has migraines, we can test them, and within about 10 minutes, we're going to know if that technique works. If it works, most people, the migraine will go away on the spot, and they'll know that that's the cause of the problem.
If you suffer from pain symptoms or a condition that causes pain, burning, numbness, a loss of sleep, or anxiety, you have nothing to lose by receiving this free test. It could end a lifetime of suffering. For more information or to find a Neurologic Relief Center practitioner near you, visit nrc.md.